And this is for the small, compact, wireless, cordless BENJEN vacuum cleaner. And this is, just look how small it is. So it's just a tiny little thing, but it has a lot of power. So we'll press and hold. We've already charged it. Comes with a charger and comes with directions, all these other attachments. Charger right here. Press and hold for 3 seconds. Hit it one more time to turn up the power. And you can hear it has tons of power. So very easy to clean. We're gonna suck up something in a second. Very easy to clean. Here's the filter. You can take that out to clean. And then you've got some attachments as well that you can attach. You've got a brush attachment. You've got this attachment right here. And then on the back side, this is what's great, is it's also a blower. So if you want to blow up a air mattress or anything like that, now let's turn it on. And now it's blowing. Now it's blowing. So there's a long attachment, a smaller one. And then you've got this one as well. And these are the sucking attachments. This one actually can go on the back side of there. Okay, so let me just show you how easy it is to suck up. Okay, just press and hold this on. Need some more power. Okay, let's go to a different attachment here. Let's attach this attachment, and then we can attach this one. So lots of power, very easy to use. Once you're done, you'll unscrew this, and then we'll take out our filter here, and here's your reservoir full of all your garbage and junk, and then you'll just dump that out. And then you can blow off this filter. Actually, if you want to blow it off, you can turn this on. And you can blow this off just like that. To clean it off, put your filter back in, and you're ready to go again. But very handy. Comes with its own carry case as well, with all these extra attachments. Great product, can highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.